Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Pickle, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Ram ProMaster 2500 with a rear entry manual ramp. It's a dry verge conversion. Stock number CP17357T. Now this is on a long wheelbase Ram 2500, 159 inch wheelbase, high top. Now it's 2023, it is pre-owned, it's only got 231 miles on it. We've got fog lamps on this. Steel wheels with a center cap on it, not bad. Like I said, 231 miles on these tires, they're like brand new. They're 16 inch. Do have a running board here for the driver. Privacy glass throughout the rear of the vehicle. It is bright white in color. In the interior here, we've got premium vinyl on these seats here in the front. Commercial grade. Touchscreen radio. Of course, you've got cruise control, Uconnect system, hands-free telephone, rear AC and heat. Cubby holes up here above the passenger and driver's seats. Fire extinguisher for safety. Now in here, there's a smart track in the floor. I'll show you a little bit more of that. But that's where these 6 seats behind the driver and passenger. These seats are removable or can be moved around anywhere in this van. And they're commercial vinyl as well. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Go to the rear barn doors here. Dry verge, that is the commercial mobility place that did the conversion on it. Rear backup camera. Big aluminum ramp. 8 foot. I love the way these are connected now with the locks. It's like a little seat belt lock here. One on each side of the ramp. And it's shock assisted. So it's not terribly heavy. Definitely staying up in these things. Looking around 6'2", 6'3", interior height here. There's a smart track in the floor that you can actually put the Q strengths to hold the wheelchair down anywhere in here. So if you move these seats out, you can put multiple chairs in. These chairs are on quick release pedestals, so you move them anywhere you want, take a few out, store, what have you. There's more for the Q straight adaptions, whatever you're gonna do there. Flare kit. Actually, it's a triangle kit. There's your rear AC and heat vents. And this is an anti-slip ramp. It's got holes in it, notches in it, raised up so keep you from slipping in the snow or the rain. Now I'm lifting this up with one arm. Folds in half, locks right into place. Showing you right here now, there's a button I'm pushing. The rear end of this van is lowering. That takes the steepness off the ramp. And as soon as you go to close the door, you'll see the rear end will come back up on this. You don't have to use it if you don't need it, but it does come in handy. There it goes, raises right back up after you start to close the doors in the rear. Paint looks to be in great condition on this. These seats are also commercial grade vinyl if I haven't mentioned that already. Handle to get in. There you have it, folks. A pre-owned 2023 Ram ProMaster 2500 rear entry mobility van, manual ramp, 6 removable seats in the rear, smart track in the floor application by Driverge. 231 miles on this van. This is here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.